Approaching the summit of Mount Jefferson, January 11th, 2011. Beautiful day, beautiful day. That's the actual summit. The Carters across the street, Mariah, Shelburne, Mariah. The Adams family, Adams, Sam, Abigail in the back. Rocking the crampons, limited snow. My favorite Karen in the White Mountains, biggest I believe as well. Built by the CCC, Civilian Conservation Corps, during the Great Depression to put people to work, and it still stands to this day. What's that sign say? God only knows. Oh, I'm working. Clearing the sands. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, look at that cairn. Ah, Mount Washington in all its splendor and glory. Mount Clay right in front of it. And the Great Gulf down below. Looking west, Franconia's Notch in the distance. On the summit. Wildcat, Carter Dome, Mount Height. Back to the Carters from before.